Welcome back. Today is part of my journey to losing 100 pounds. I bought myself some tools online from Amazon. Let me share them with you. They're supposed to help me have more resistance underwater when I'm paddling around and having fun. I also got myself some goggles, which you may have seen in my first underwater video. And then I got myself a little phone protector, and that is just so I can have my phone by the side of the pool, and if I derp out and drop it or splash it, it's protected. I'm just really paranoid because I love my phone. So I bought one of these, and I will put a link down in the description below. This right here is the Avalon Aqua Combo. It's very exciting. Have more resistance in the water going up and down with my arms, because now treading water has become really easy since I've been doing it since the pool in my house has been open. And for my workout, I try to do at least 1 hour of water exercise. Now I'm working up to almost 2 hours, and sometimes I've been known to be there for about 3 hours, just paddling around and treading water. I can feel it in my core and in the way I breathe. It's like, you know, really helps swimming a lot. What they look like, and they're not weights, they're actually foam. The idea is that it gives you resistance in the pool, so it's harder to push in, and you know, but it's not going to weigh me down and sink me at the bottom of the pool. That's a big concern. This gizmo, I don't know the official term for it, but this you put between your thighs when you swim laps, and I will be swimming laps at my gym because as soon as the temperature goes down here, I'm not going to be able to swim in my own pool, and I don't want to heat it for sure. So this I'll be using to put between my thighs to keep my legs up so my body is more flat as I'm going through the water. I don't know yet what application I'll use it for my pool here. The next thing is a belt, and that will be for also water aerobics. I'm going to try it in my pool as well as try it when I take a water aerobics class at the gym. This has a buckle, and it basically goes around your back, and it buckles in the front, and you're supposed to buckle it on really tight to keep it from going up your arms and down. So I'll have to adjust it to fit, but I'm super excited to swim today. It's 3:30 and we'll see how long I go. I'm just demonstrating here how I plan to use it under the water. I definitely look forward to learning more about these at water aerobics class, but I know it's going to provide me some resistance in the water and give me a little more work for my workout. So just thought I'd give you a little taste of seeing what it's like and me paddling around again in my pool. See you soon. Bye.